1. The color of the cat's eyes are different. 2. There's an extra string on its waist. 3. The smaller mouse is holding something in its right hand. Look at the pictures. There's a cat and a mouse. The cat is wearing a chef's hat and white apron, so he is the chef. He's putting something into the fire. The mouse is doing the same. They are cooking something. The question is, what's for dinner? If you want to learn to describe the pictures, contact us right away. The contact information is in the description of the video.